Uttarakhand, known as Devbhumi, the land of God, is also a sanctuary for diverse wildlife. Cradled by the mighty Himalayas and nourished by the pristine rivers, this region is home to over 600 bird species. Each bird is not just a symbol of beauty but a testament to the delicate balance of our ecosystem. Join us as we explore the rich avian diversity of Uttarakhand, where every chirp, flight, and feather tells a story of resilience, harmony, and life.
Himalayan monal. Our journey begins with the Uttarakhand state bird, the Himalayan monal, known for its iridescent feathers that shimmers with every movement. The monal symbolizes that the vibrant beauty of the Himalayas. The bird inhabits high altitude forests, foraging on the forest floor for roots, seeds, and insects.
Great Hornbill. The great hornbill is one of the most charismatic birds of Uttarakhand with its unique yellow casqueque and loud echoing call. Found in dense forest canopies, these majestic birds play a critical role in the ecosystem by dispersing seeds far and wide. Hornbills form lifelong pairs and are known for their fascinating nesting habits, where the female seals herself in a tree cavity to incubate eggs. Red crested pochard. During the winter months, Uttarakhand rivers and wetlands host the red crested pochard, a vibrant migratory species. With its distinctive red hand and striking black body, these ducks add colors to the cold, tranquil waters. Their migration from Central Asia to Uttarakhand symbolize the interconnectedness of our planet's ecosystem. Black-throated thrush. Black-throated thrush brings music to Uttarakhand's valleys with its soulful call. It thrives in dense forests, foraging on insects and berries. This melodious bird is a reminder of the harmony in the nature. Lammergeier, bearded vulture. Known as the bearded vulture, the lammergeier is a rare and awe-inspiring bird of prey. It's one of the only birds that eats bone, dropping them from heights to access the marrow inside. This vulture play a unique role in keeping the ecosystem clean.
Steppe eagle. A winter visitor, the steppe eagle migrates from the Central Asia to Uttarakhand every year. The bird of prey is known for its keen eyesight and the powerful wings, which enable it to soar across vast landscapes in search of food.
Cheer pheasant. The elusive cheer pheasant, known for its camouflaged plumage, blends seamlessly with its surroundings. This rare bird is often seen in open forest and scrublands, reminding us of the delicate balance between the nature and the human presence. The white-capped water redstart. The white-capped water redstart is a true testament to the rich biodiversity of the Himalaya. Whether you are an avid bird watcher or a lover of nature, encountering this bird is a memorable experience in the heart of Uttarakhand. Rudi shelduck. Known locally as the Brahmani duck, the Rudi shelduck is a migratory visitor often found in Uttarakhand's wetland. Its warm orange and white plumage makes it easily recognizable. This bird mates for life, a characteristic that adds to its charm.
Common coot. Common coot is a sociable bird, often seen in large flocks known as white shield. The bird is frequently sighted in Uttarakhand lakes. It plays an important role in controlling aquatic plants and insects populations.
Pallas gull, named after the naturalist Peter Pallas. This gull is a migratory visitor in Uttarakhand, known for its bold and curious nature. The Pallas gull is important for the ecosystem as it helps keep waterways clean by scavenging on dead fish and organic waste. As we bring this journey to a close, we extend our heartfelt thanks to the educator and the students whose curiosity and passion remind us why conservation is vital. This project would not have been possible without the collaboration of our dedicated team members, each bringing their unique expertise to show Uttarakhand's avian wonders. Let us work together to protect Uttarakhand's birds and preserve the splendor of nature. Every small action counts, whether it's planting a tree, reducing waste, or supporting conservation efforts. Together, we can ensure that these magnificent birds continue to grace our skies.